Good afternoon and welcome to the first episode of the Ambulanders. Well, problem number one. As you can see, if you're a little bit tall, you got a problem with the low roof of the ambulance. So in order to accommodate that, we decided we will extend the roof or raise the roof by 1 foot. So the idea is to insert a box that we make from aluminum, cut the beams here, and then insert this box above it, and then re-weld and rejoin the studs to the new frame. If you want to see how the frame will look like, so we are using the same aluminum that is currently in the existing frame, and here is the box with the supporting struts that will be welded and then inserted into the front, and we'll have it on all sides. We'll have the long ones on the left and the right, and then the two short ones, one in the front and one at the back. Okay, so in order to get a proper weld, we had these cut electronically on an electronic measured cutting machine to have them all exactly the same length. So when they are inserted between the two beams are perfectly straight. But as you can see, there's on the blade that was cut, there's a bit of burr stuck to it. So in order to be able to weld it properly, we have to remove all of these burrs now. Just use a file, clean it up. And as you can see, now it is perfectly flat. Okay, so in order to get a proper weld on the aluminum, we have to remove the oxide, and what we do is we use a stainless steel brush on an angle grinder to remove the oxidization on the aluminum so we can do a better weld. But first, safety. Let's put on gloves, a face mask, and some ear protection. And now let's clean up the oxide. Okay, now that we've wire brushed the oxidization off, now we'll clean it with some acetone to get any residue or any fingerprints or any contaminants off the joints where we will weld it tomorrow.